Our chicken curry was already finished. So, dig in.
Hi to all mga perfect and to all my viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Another episode of Cooking Show. Cooking Show. Ala, chef tayo ngayon. So, for today's vlog is we're going to cook a chicken curry. Simply, we will use the chicken. So, we will use the carrots, bell pepper, a little bit of tips on bell pepper. It's up to you. What do you want? A red bell pepper or green bell pepper? Next is potato or patatas in our language. So next is beans. We're using red onion for this vlog. So it's up to you. What do you want? It's a red onion or the white onion. For me, red onion is a little bit strong flavor. So I prefer red onion. So garlic, and I also put chili because I love spicy food. So chicken curry is a little bit spicy, and I want a little bit spicy more. So so the coconut milk and the curry powder later I will prepare. So thank you so much. So for those who didn't watch, like and subscribe my channel, do watch, like and subscribe my channel. And for those already subscribe my channel, thank you so much. It's my pleasure.
A few moments later.
Need to saute the onion. So I prefer to saute first the onion before the garlic. Okay, next is the garlic. So we will wait this one until the color is a little bit golden brown, and the flavor of the garlic and onion will comes out.
2,000 years later.
So we notice that the color of the garlic and onion is a little bit golden brown. So we need to add the chicken. Perfect. One. Mix it, and mix it. So we add salt in order to absorb the flavor of the salt inside the chicken. Wow. And we will leave this one a few minutes to simmer the chicken.
A few moments later.
I simmered the chicken for a few minutes, and I noticed that there's no evidence of any blood, so I'm going to add another ingredients. The next ingredients we're going to add is carrots. Next is potato. Wow, a lot of potato. Maybe we need the potato party. So we will leave this one for how many minutes again to simmer the potato and the carrots. So a little bit tips. The only tips I can say is we need to priority first the potato and the carrots because it's hard to cook compared to bell pepper and the beans, and the chili is a little bit simmer, it will be okay, but the potato and the carrots is in need a little bit of time or a little bit of patient time to cook to achieve the perfect texture of the potato and the carrots.
2,000 years later.
So we simmer the potato and the carrots for how many minutes? The next is we need to add the beans and the bell pepper. Okay, so we will wait for another few minutes again in order to add the coconut milk and the curry powder. And so we simmer already so we need to add the coconut milk and curry powder. Wow, see, so mix it. Even not yet finished, I think it looks yummy. See, we will wait again until it will be boiled a little bit to simmer, a little bit to taste, to add more a little bit of salt, and furthermore, finish. Okay, before I forget, the chili. Here we go! You heard already that the boil continue boiling, so it's perfect to continue boiling because in order to evaporate the excess water, and the taste of the coconut milk will absorb inside the chicken.
A few moments later.
Back, nakaka-perfect. This is the finished product. So our chicken curry was already finished. So dig in a little bit of this one, makaka-perfect. Our finished product, chicken curry, Filipino style, ala Jeffrey Lugiber. See the chicken. Oh, shall we eat, mga ka-perfect? See, so you notice that the curry is not too much because the curry is very strong flavor. So one of my colleagues he don't like to eat too much curry. So this is our chicken curry.